Hey dear students, today in this video I will be explaining you diversity in India with the help of these presentation slide. Now you have to watch the entire video to have a better clarity, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe so that when I will make the new video you'll get the notification of it. Let's start with the chapter. By diversity we means there are variety of things which we see all around us. That means there's a range of things which are quite different from each other. Now for better understanding, we can quote an example of a natural environment like the plants and animals. Do you see all the plants and animals are same in look? No, they don't look same. That means human beings are also different. They speak different languages, they wear different clothes, they follow different religions. This way, there's a diversity. Now, if we talk about diversity in India, so as you all know, India is a very vast country where we follow different geography, culture, religions, different festivals, different languages. We follow different dresses and cuisines. So, cuisine means food. Now we are going to discuss 5 types of diversity, which are geographical diversity, economic diversity, religious diversity, cultural diversity, and linguistic diversity. We are going to talk about geographical diversity. This means there are different physical division in India. There we see on the northern side we see the Himalayan range. Then a little downward we have the northern plains. Then the west side we see the Indian desert, which covers the part Rajasthan and Gujarat. Then we come to the Deccan Plateau. Now this plateau covers almost the southern states, that is the Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra. Then we have the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Now this is along the coastline, so these are known as the coastal plains. Economic diversity depends on place and the opportunities. Like if we are in rural areas, the possibility is more of engaging in agriculture. But if we are living in urban areas, then the opportunity is more to get jobs in factories and good companies. It depends from place to place. So as you can see in the pie chart, it shows different percentage of people who are engaged in different occupation, different sector. That shows agriculture mostly more than half of the percentage is dependent on agriculture. Then comes to manufacturing, then comes to construction, and then later it comes to trading, transportation, education. Right? Under religious diversity, people follow different religions such as Hinduism, it could be Buddhism, it could be Christianity, it could be Jainism, Sikhism, Islam, and many others. But the Constitution of India, they make sure that all the religions should be supported and should be treated equally, right? The cultural diversity, people from different region or from different states, they follow different food habits, they follow different cultural practices like their art form, their dance form, their food habits, their wearing clothes habits, the way they speak, that means language they spoke. So all form differently under the cultural diversity. Coming 2 or 3 slides, I will be showing you different pictures of people who follow different dance form or people who follow different food habits. That means their cuisine are different as per their region, as per their states. Now, from the linguistic diversity, we understand that different languages are spoken by people who are from different regions, who are from different religions, and this adds up to the diversity. Be Hindi, it could be Bengali, it could be Punjabi, it could be Sanskrit, it could be Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati. These are the different languages which are spoken all over India. Now we see that there's so much diversity, there's so much variety of things that we see in different states in our India. That is why the constitution promotes and supports equality, so that all the people are treated equally, right? Then we come to the unity in diversity. This means even if we have different culture, we have different religion, even then we are united and we identify ourselves as a part of India, and we are ready to help each other in the time of difficulty. Thank you guys, and in next video I will be explaining you diversity and discrimination. So stay tuned for the next video. I hope you like the video and you have subscribed to my channel.